Do you ever wonder how these top traders win every single trade without fail? Well, I'm going to be showing you in this video exactly how they do that. Because when I was 17, I didn't know the answer to that question too. But when I found out, I got a $3,000 payout straight away. And I'm going to be sharing with you the exact strategy that will get you to that level, okay? So, first thing you need to do is work on these pairs. NAS 100, Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold, and S&P 500, okay? Now, we need to only trade within a 5-minute time frame. What we need to do first of all is mark out the kill zones we're going to be using, okay? So the kill zone is going to be from 7 a.m. right here until 11 a.m. We're only going to be taking trades within this kill zone, all right? So what you need to do next is identify if price sweeps Asian sessions buy side or sell side liquidity, and then we look for reversal opportunities, all right? So this is what I'm going to do. What I mean by this is you mark out the highs of Asian session like this, and you mark out the lows of Asian session, and you need to actually figure out which side gets swept first. So if you're waiting in live form, you would just wait for price to do its thing. It's going right now to take out one of the two, and it's just absolutely taking out the highs. Okay, so now that we know the highs have been taken, we're going to be just aiming the trade towards the downside, right? So what we need to do now is find a market structure shift, a displacement, and a fair value gap. Okay, we execute on a fair value gap, but we need to find the market structure shift first. Usually when you find a very engulfing candlestick with this market structure shift, it really expands. All right, so what you need to do now is wait for price to do its thing. I'm just gonna wait for price to get a market structure shift right now. As you can see, there we go. We just got a very big engulfing candlestick. Okay, we got an engulfing bearish candlestick. So what we need to do now is actually mark out our fair value gap, and then we can get started straight away. Earlier I mentioned that you can easily pass your pot firm account, but you don't know is that 98% of traders actually never get a payout in their life. You can either stay within the 98%, or you can make thousands and thousands of dollars like my clients do who join my easy pass, which is right here, where we passed both their account phases and managed their account until they received the first ever payout. You can see all the payouts right here. All the proof is right here, okay? Click the first link in the description and join the Telegram if you want your account passed today, okay? But anyway, let's get straight back into the video. Now what I need to do is wait for price to, form the fair value gap after the market structure shift that we just got, which is right here, you could say, or even right here. They both can be fractional lows right there, but we just broke through them, and now we have our fair value gap, okay? You can see right here, it's actually a displaced fair value gap because the overlapping of the market structure shift right here. And now what we can do is just extend this really quickly, and I'm just going to enter a sell off of this position right here, okay? You can see I'm going to place my stop loss just above this FVG candle, and all I'm going to do is place my take profit either to the line here, or you can place it at 1 to 3 risk to reward ratio, okay? Price will actually enter off of this, and then it will go all the way down, smashing towards Asian sessions lows, so we can sweep all the liquidity and mitigate the area, and then it's going to just keep going downwards. And you can see right here, play price forward, you can see how it's entered right there, and now if I play forward and forward, you can see how it's just completely smashed take profit. We could have easily gotten, let's say, a 1 to 6 maybe. We could have easily gotten a 1 to 15 risk to reward ratio win, okay, or 1 to 17, whatever. You can see how effective this strategy is. I'm going to be showing you it on a fundamental level right now. So make sure you listen very carefully. So what you need to look out for first is for Asian session. Let Asian session do whatever it wants, but once it actually hits your trading time, which is at our 7 o'clock, right here, our 7 o'clock open candle, you're going to be marking out Asian session's highs, which is going to be, this is the highs, and let's say these are the lows. You're going to be waiting for price to actually take out one of these. So let's say it's taking out the highs like it did in our example. Let's say taking out the highs right here. What you're going to be doing is aiming to take the trade towards the downside. So now what you're looking for is a market structure shift with a bearish engulfing candlestick. So now I'm going to just be waiting price to do its thing. And once it actually gives me that bearish engulfing candlestick with the market structure shift, you can see right here, it would have just broke through this low. Just mark it out, market structure shift right there. Once it actually gave us the market structure shift, all you need to do is wait for the fair value gap, okay? So once you get the fair value gap as well, it should be overlapping with the market structure shift. That is the best way. Once it's overlapping with it, whatever, then you just wait for price to go back into this area. Once it enters, you enter your sell position right here, placing your stop loss just above the highlighted area, and placing your take profit at a 1-to-3 risk reward ratio. Okay, and once you actually do this, what you're going to be waiting for price to do is go down and just keep bouncing off the FEG, and it's absolutely going to smash take profit. Okay, this is exactly what you want to see. This is exactly what you want to actually see in the markets going forward. All right, now this is going to be the end of the video, but make sure you actually join my easy pass. This is the best place if you want you get your account passed. You can see right here Jessica James made $4,000. Okay, $4,000 just within one payout. You either get a payout or you get a refund from us. Make sure you join now, because I will manage your account, pass it, do every single thing until you get a payout with me, and then you can actually give me a testimonial or whatever. All right, make sure you click the first link in the description and join my Telegram right away. I have a discount, Black Friday discount, for the first 5 people that join from now, so make sure you actually hurry up and join. But anyway, I'm going to be seeing you in the next video. Anyway, take care.